right, Turkey Run. Here we are. A little bit of a line to get in. Cute little cabins there. Started with Trail 6 today.
Well, it looked like we were on a path, but apparently not. Look at where we found this guy. There you go.
Vivian, what did you find?
Water. Magic water.
The magical waterfall of Indiana?
Yeah.
You found it!
Yeah,
Yay! It'll make all your dreams come true, won't it?
Yeah. Wow.
Eli caught up with us. Alright, we just had some lunch. We are headed to the main hiking part of the day. Headed down to the suspension bridge. Starting off on Trail 3 here. Lots of people here today. Continuing on Trail 3.
I got you. Puppy. I am. You puppy my arm.
This section here is called the Ice Box. We are hiking down these stairs here. Yay! Okay, we're headed up Trail 3, and we're going to go up the ladders. So that's where we're headed. Okay, I'm here with Vivian. Say hi, Vivian.
Hi.
Yeah, we're good, Mommy.
Woo.
And we're hiking, aren't we, Vivian?
Yeah.
We're going to go to the ladders.
Yeah.
You see the ladders?
Yeah.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Come to the ladders. Alright, so we're at the ladders, but there are a lot of people coming down, so we're going to go back and pick up another trail here. Lindsay Lou had a little accident. I don't know if I can get her leg, but she was climbing up on the rock next to the ladder and fell quite a distance, and her legs kind of bruised up and swollen. Hope it's okay, but we're gonna continue on. Here's where we came from. That's where we just immediately came from, and we're going on this way to what I think is Trail 5. Let's see if we can find a marker. Trail 5. Okay, Trail 5 continues on up these steps right here. We are going to continue on Trail 9, which is this way.
That is nice. Ananya, Ananya. Oh, back her.
She got all of
All right, this is Falls Canyon here. It's me, Mommy, and Vivian. All the kids left us, abandoned us.
I got finding stuff. Don't. I don't need help. I'll help. No, I can't really.
Whoa. This is Boulder Canyon. See, this guy kind of struggling. We're going the opposite direction. So, wish us luck.
Take you on.
Do it again. Don't let her bounce on that rock. That'll hurt.
There you go, Viv.
Catch the roots. See, can you see that roots of that tree?
Yeah.
See, first you to catch that. Okay.
Linz is going to try to get injured again.
That was the trail. See?
Zach's just
And you
walking
see
down.
way check. Is there way up to go somewhere?
No, you don't have to go. You can definitely go that way. That's definitely a better way because this way is super freaking slippery.
Okay. So,
Oh, cool.
I like to play water. Oh man. We're always done here.
Okay, leaving Trail 9. Picking up Trail 5, which goes that way, and also down this way. We are going down the 140 steps. Mom is carrying Vivian down. Here we are at the ladders. We're going to walk past the ladders. Okay, here we go up the ladder. Okay. Past the ladders, we picked up Trail 3 here. Alright, we're picking up Trail 10, back to the car here. So here we are. Family's up there. Trail 10, back to Trail 3, back to the bridge. Hi, Seth. And finally, to cap off our day, 9 sweaty hillbillies going to Cracker Barrel to eat.